Meaning, if you fail to plan, if there is no plan, there is no reason for success. That's the purpose, that's the bottom line of this quotation by Mr. Benjamin Franklin. This quotation will be explained to you later with our subsequent discussions. Okay? So, project planning. Of course, project planning, by definition, planning is done to figure out how the project is done. Planning meaning executing different strategies or to figure out how the project is done. Meaning this serves as your period or this sets a view of what is needed to be done as a project. How about another definition is planning. Can you please read? Mr. Maraspat. By definition, planning is organizing the activities. Organizing, as we see, project planning comes with different parts and different steps. I will discuss to you later to achieve a desired goal. As I said, planning is needed for us to give a point or a period on what we need to establish as a goal. The next one. Okay? Planning in doing a project involves creating a project plan. So, when we plan a project, when we do a project, it is necessary for us to have a project plan. That is for us to figure out how the project of ours will be done and how the project of ours will be organized in a manner activity. For the next one, of course, project plan has different parts. These are the six major parts of a project plan. First, you must state the name of the project. The next one, the objectives, the design of the project, the materials and tools needed, procedure and evaluation. So I have my project. We have our project for today. This is the improvised continuity tester. So let's try. Let's state. What is the name of our project? This one. For this. Say the name of the project. This is the title or okay, please read this, Mr. D.
This is the title or the original name of the
Why do you think we need to define what is the title of our project first in doing a project plan? Why do you think? Why do you think we need to define what is the name of our project first in doing a project plan? Why do you think? Why is it necessary to define our project? Yes, Mr. Gabris. Sorry? To know meaning we must first identify what is our project. So our project for today, name of the project, improvised water system. Okay? For the next one. The next one would be the objectives. Can you please read? Yes, Mr. Rodolfo.
The main goal of the project is to be accomplished.
Okay? What do you think? Why are objectives important in executing a project plan? How about, oh, very good. How about Mr. Japet? Why are objectives needed in executing a project plan? Class? Okay, sit down. So, do you know, class, as teachers always do objectives when we're having a lessons with you. We set different objectives in which we aim our goals. We state our goals that needed to be accomplished. This is my example of an objective to my project, improvised water heater. Can you please read the number one objective?
Great actions na by water heater plus other individuals.
Okay, how about another one? Yes, Mr. Aaron Guzman. And then the last one, yes, Mr. I highlighted the first words. What can you notice about this first word? What kind of words? Is it a verb, an adjective, an adverb, or an element? Yes, Mr. Aaron.
They are verbs.
They are verbs. accomplished. Once I state an objective, I should state the different verbs in this procedure. Like for example, create meaning knowledge, understand and perform meaning skills, and observe meaning attitude. How about the next one, the next part, the number 3 part? Which will define the design of the project. Okay? Can you please read? Yes, Mr. Makaspan. Okay, why do you think I needed to have my design of the project in executing a project plan? Why do I need? Why do you think so? Why do I need to have a design? Okay? You can speak in Tagalog. Come on, yes, Mr. Amalpo. Why do you think I have to draw this sketch of my project plan on executing a project plan? Why do you think so? Makita, meaning we need the design of the project or the sketch, or simply the design of the project is simply an interpretation or a visualization. We are facing forward or looking forward on what the project or the design of our project is. So let's go back to our project. The design of our project will be this one. Okay? This what should be a project improvised multi-tester should look like. Okay? The next part. For my next part, the materials, the equipment, and the tools needed. Okay, can you please read? Yes.
Usually presents the quantity. The quantity and the distribution of materials. Each unit cost as well as the materials total cost.
Why do you think I have to state this? The materials, the tools, and equipment. Why do you think? As a project, why do I need to state these things? Why do you think? Come on. Yes, Mr. Sagi. Para malaman kung paano ito magagawa, or simply, these are the needed things to accomplish our goal or our name of the project. So for example, with this one, the materials needed. In our review, we have the bill of materials. And now, the bill of materials, if we would realize, is just part of the project plan. It is where the materials needed stated in this manner. We have the quantity, the unit, the materials and description, the unit price, and the total. Okay? So upon executing a materials needed, they should be with this form. And always remember, when writing your unit, they should always be in singular form. Do you understand? How about this one? Let's focus with this one, the tools and equipment needed. Not just the materials. Can you please explain me the difference between a material and a tool? Yes. Sige, I'll come back to you later. Yes, Mr. De Guzman. Do you agree with your Mr. De Guzman? Ang materials daw na ubos, ang tools hindi. Do you agree with me? I have here an example. Okay? What is this? Tools. What? This one. A handful. How about this one? I needed these tools. I need to state these tools so that I cannot be lost. For example, scissors. What's the purpose of scissors? What's the basic purpose? For cutting. How about hammer? Driving slash. So what's the letter L? Driving slash S. I said S. Driving or striking. Right? How about pliers? HTC or simply what we call the bending tool, twisting and twisting. How about the ruler? Measuring. The Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. The soldering iron. The soldering iron. For both, okay,
data construction process. How the project is being done and when the project is being done.
Why do you think I have to state these procedures? What comes to your mind when you hear the word procedures? Come on. Yes, Mr. Basangan. Why do you think I need to state these procedures? Or have you ever heard an idea about what is a procedure? Yes, Mr. Aaron, Villegas. Steps on how to finish a project. Very good. Or it should clearly state the construction processes on how our project plan should be done. Okay. So here are the procedures on how to construct and improvise water heater. Yes, I will do, since we have now the procedures, I will be now executing the procedure in front of you. We have the materials, the tools, and the procedures. So for the first one, I need to prepare all my materials. Okay? Stated there that I need at least one balloon stick. This is my assignment to you. Prepare a 2 cm balloon stick. And then the next one, I should prepare a duplex wire. Okay? The next one, the galvanized iron sheet in which I assigned to you. Cut into circle. How about, okay. Why galvanized iron sheet? Why do you think? Yes. Conducting electricity. Yes, a metal can conduct electricity. Why do you think, have you ever heard the word galvanized iron sheet? It is called a galvanized iron sheet because as compared to any other iron sheet, this is less to corrosion. Okay? Meaning, hindi siya madaling malawang. Okay? Kaya siya galvanized iron sheet. And then the next one, we have to prepare the nail plug. I have my nail plug here. And then the next one, the nail. One piece of nail. And then the soy sauce saucers. The soy sauce saucers are just the platito of patis. Okay? This one. And then, last one, the Phillips screw. Okay, what's the difference between a Phillips screw and a flat screw? Yes, Mr. Any other hands? What guess? Cross, very good. How about the flat screw? Negative or flat. Okay, so very good. How about, do I have the tools needed? Simply, I should have a scissors. I need to have my hammer, my pliers, my ruler, my marking pen, and my screwdriver. What's missing now is my soldering iron. Okay? So, I have all my materials and tools needed. So, I will now be able to execute what is stated on my procedures. So, first, it is a basic principle. Once you do procedures, you must consider safety precautions first. Why do you think? Why do you think we need to consider safety precautions before doing any activity or job? Because safety is equals to what? Safety is equals to what? Life. Very good. We must first consider that safety precautions are always be considered because safety is equals to life. And then, prepare all the materials needed. I have all the materials needed. Okay? So, let's focus first on safety precautions. For the number one, can you please explain? Oh, come on, install yourself. Why do I, for the number one, can you please read? Yes, Mr. Gabriel. Why do you think? Concentrating on my work is one of the safety precautions. Why? Why is it important? To make safety. How about the others? Other hands? Bakit kailangan mo mag-concentrate kung nagagawa ko dito? Yes. Okay. To achieve desired results. How about the number two? Can you please read and explain? Yes, Mr. Tino, Sarilo.
Remove unnecessary things not included to your activity.
Why do you think so?
Remove those or hindi na
Very good. For example, you are working in this table and you have those papers not needed, it should be removed. Okay? Very good. covering when needed. Why do you think so? Why do you think I should wear these protective coverings? Yes, Mr. Guzman. To protect ourselves. For example, I'll be using, I'll be soldering a chemical with partner with a chemical. I need to wear what? A mask. Very good. That is to protect. Okay? And then the next one, avoid playing. Somewhat similar to the number one, because the letter A, concentrate on your work. And then the letter E, and the last N should not be the least. We must always clean the area before and afterward. So I am ready. My area is clean, my tools are needed, and my materials are needed. So let's start with this one. On the pair of saucer, okay, please read. Okay? Mr. Rino.
On the pair of saucer pads, mark 8 small circle with equal distance distribution. Also, make markings at the bottom center.
Okay. So, for the first part, on my pair of saucer pans, I should mark how many? 8. Using marking pen. Okay? So, what will be my possible strategy? How can I distribute the whole in equal distribution? Yes, Mr. D. Magkakatapat or in line with one another. So, let's start with this one. Let me show you. I will mark here, 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 and then here. So next. So only 4. Side by side. Okay, at the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I mark the saucer pans equally this equally? Okay, so do this also in the next part. I will mark also. Who wants to try? Yes, Mr. Macascar. Try this one. Equally distributed. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. On this next step, also at the bottom center. This one, bottom center. And then for the next step, what's the read? Yes, Mr. Guzman.
Please prepare soldering irons and lowering the mark scissors to make holes.
Okay, now we'll be using my soldering iron. This is prepared. Okay, meaning the heat is on the tip. So how will I use this one? Okay. Take note of this one. One of the holes should be smaller. Okay, so I'll bore the smaller one. Smaller. And then as well as this with this size, smaller also. And then the rest, that's smart. Who wants to try on the other pair? Yes, Mr. Basangan. You seem so quiet, Mr. Basangan. Okay. Let's remember, one of the holes on the side should be smaller than the other. Okay. That's right. Smaller. That's the same as the size. Okay, this is 2. Okay, smaller. Small. Okay. Divide. Okay. Divide. Smaller. And then proceed to the other. Smaller holes. For the next step, what? 3. Yes, Mr. Aaron Villegas.
Strip off the ends of the wire at least 1 inch on the ends. Other ends will be inserted on close as like one and the other line.
So for that instruction, I am now ready with my soldering iron. I'm now done. For the next one, strip off the ends of the wire. This is my end of the wire. This is what? This is what kind of wire? Duplex. Very good. So,
The number 4.
This. Very good. Other side. The other side. One. Okay. So these are now our strip wires. And then the next one, tie both the inserted wires on the saucer. Okay. I'll twist this one, twist the end, twist all the ends, twist all the ends, twist all the ends. And then this is now the purpose of their smaller hole. You will insert this in their smaller hole. Right, this one. Smaller hole. So this one, I'll tie first. That will serve as our what? Starter. Okay? I'll tie this one. Okay? This is tied already. How about what's the charge? On the other side. Yes, the 30. The smaller one. Insert. Insert. And then tie. Don't forget to tie the wires inside the saucer because that tie serves as our stopper. Okay? And then the next one, finally we have our GI sheets. Board on center and then on the sides. Okay? Please. Okay. For the next one, finally tie the wires on the GI sheets on both ends. Okay? I'll tie this one out. And then I'll put this one here and then tie. Make sure to not lose any connection, okay? Tie very carefully. How about who wants to try the other side? Mr. Osabel. Okay. Mr. Osabel. Right. And then for the next step, who wants to read? Yes, Mr. Cerillo. Our number 8.
Prepare 2 centimeter length of balloon
Balloon
stick,
stick.
attaching to the center hole of pads, using a screw.
Okay. So, I have my prepared balloon stick. What do you think, class? This will serve as, if my wire are the conductors, this balloon wire is also insulator. Very good. To resist the flow of okay. Okay, Mr. Rosabel, I will not do this one. Just try with this. The strategy of tying is that it should be inserted here. That the wire should be in place or in connection with our galvanized iron sheet. I have here my prepared ones. Okay, I have here this one. Okay, we will retry this one. Okay, what could be the possible reason why Osabel or this one? So yes, it's third jacket. What could be the possible reason? Yes, you don't have any allowance with regards with your tying. So I will restrict this one so that I will have my allowance. Then I tie this one. Okay? The first one here. Just enough. There. Remember, it should be at least 1 inch. Okay? And then, again, I will try to tie this one up. Always have an